Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Envisions Math, Lesson 1-1. After you complete your Solve and Share video, we're going to have our live lesson. During our live lesson, Miss Yorn is going to walk through some strategies with you on how to solve this problem. After we walk through this problem, you will be introduced to your next step of your lesson, which is the try this problem. For your try this problem, please make sure you are using the strategies that Ms. Yorn taught you in her live lesson and working hard to solve the problem. After you try this video, you're going to be prompted to your visual learning bridge. Let's go ahead and look at our try this problem for today. Make sure you have your Envisions materials, Envisions workbook, paper, pencils, and counters. Lesson 1-1, try this problem. Don't forget, third graders, you got this. Jessie used 3 bags to bring home the goldfish she won at the fun fair. She put the same number of goldfish in each bag. How many goldfish did she win? At this time, pause the video and do your try this problem. You've got this, guys. No sweat.